Dear students, good morning to everyone. I would, I would like to be discuss on the topic cyclomatic complexity. It is the process to measure the complexity in the program. For example, if two programs are same size, how can you identify which program is complex? The cyclomatic complexity is proposed by the person name is Cab. It is graph based concept to identify the complex program. In this approach, which program has large numbers of decision or decision statements like if, else, while, do while, go to, etc. consider as a complex program. It used a formula to find the complex program as shown below. Cyclomatic complexity is one of the most widely used complexity measure. It counts the maximum numbers of independent circuit. So for calculating the cyclomatic number of a program or module, we draw the graph, make it connected by drawing an edges for the entry node to the exit node, and then either count the number of circuit or computed it by counting the number of edges and nodes shown in the above graph. However, cyclomatic complexity is a process to measure the complexity of the program. For examples, if two programs has same size, it is difficult to identify which program is complex among them. But this complexity measure is counted the numbers of decision statements exist in the program. Which program has large numbers of decision statements which consider as a complex program? These decision statements like as if, else, while, do while, go to, etc. And it uses a formula to find the complex program as shown below. The formula which is V of G equal to E minus N plus P. G refer to the graph, E refer to the edges of the graph, N refer to the nodes and P connected to the numbers of component. For example, we consider the following program. It is a sorting program. It has total 10 lines, 0 to 9, 10 lines, and it has 8 statements, right? I equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n, and j equal to 1 while j less than or equal to n, and if a of I less than or equal to a of j, swap a of I comma a of j, j equal to j plus 1, I equal to I plus 1, and the program is end. In the program, the opening brace it start from the 0, and again the opening brace is included in the second line, and the next opening brace in the fourth line, and it will be closed on 7, 8, ninth line, right? You can see the graph which has how many nodes are there in the program. A nodes will be considered as the conditional statements. The conditional statements which begin from 0, I equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n. The conditional statements which begin from 0 and end with the line number 2. So line number 0 to line number 2, the first conditional statement is over. So we consider as a node. For examples, we give the name of the node is A. A equal to 0, 1, 2, right? Look on the graph. A equal to 0, 1, 2 is the first node. We go to the second node. The second node which start from 3, right? J equal to 1 while j less than or equal to n, and it will be end. So the second node name we may be suggest as B, which start from line number 3 and line number 4. It start from the line number 3 and end with the line number 4. What is the name of this node? B. So look on the graph. B equal to 3, 4. Right? And we go to the next node. We find the next node. If A of I less than or equal to A of j, swap A of I, A of j, j equal to j plus 1. So the next node which start while it start from the fifth line. Am I right? Start with the fifth line if A of I, less than or equal to A of j. Right? Next one, swap A of I, A of j. So these are all conditional statements. While is a conditional statement. If is a conditional statement, swap which is a conditional statement, it perform a single task if it is an true, right? So these are all be written in the separate node. C statement 5, D node which has an sixth statement, E node which contains seventh statement. Finally, J equal to J plus 1. I am right here, J equal to J plus 1 and I equal to I plus 1. So these are all separate statements. So it perform a single task. So it is a conditional statement, right? It J equal to J plus 1 means it perform a task J to J plus 1. Okay. So here it is separate node F and G, and this program is an over. The statement 1, 0 to 2, 0, 1, 2, B which contain the statement 3, 4. So it consider as a separate node, and C which has only one statement is also considered as an separate node and D, E and so on. Alright. Here cyclomatic complexity E minus n plus P E. How many edges are there in the graph? So totally how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 edges are there. E is 10. Node, how many nodes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nodes are there. 7. And the program, how many modules? It considered as a single program. So program is plus P is 1. 10 minus 7 plus 1 equal to 4. So total 4 independent circuit we may be obtained. Right? However, we represent the edges based on the connected loop. So 0, 1, 2 which is continued in the line number j equal to 1, there is a B node, right, which is continued. So we draw the edges A to B, right, and B to C connections is there. So in the line number 3, 4 to 5, line number 5, and similarly C to D, C to D. So there is an link between, if conditions is true, it will be execute the next statement. So there is an connection there. The link is passed to the next statement. So C to D and D to E, right? D to E. So it if swap after swapping the value of j equal to j plus 1. D to E, and it will be over. It will be over the first statement. So it is closed. The seventh statement, j equal to j plus 1. J equal to seventh statement, which is considered, which is available in the E node. Can you look on the screen? E node, right, which contain the seventh statements, which will be end with the loop of 4, right? The statement which begin in the fourth line and it will be end in the seventh line, right? So there is a connection to 7 to 4. We connect with this E to 4. So 3 comma 4 statements which is connected in the E to 4, right? And the next line I equal to I plus 1, which is 8th statement, which begin statement is in the second line, right? So second E, which is connected into the F statement, which is connected to the second statement, right? And finally the last statement, which is end to the first statement. So G equal to 1 to G equal to last statement, ninth statement, which is connected to the second statement, and A to G and G to A. Am I right? And similarly, these statements are to be interconnected each others, and we obtained the numbers of the edges, which consider as a circuit, independent circuits. These independent circuits may be obtained by using the formula that are given in the program. V of G equal to E minus N plus P, right? Now we write the independent circuit. The independent circuits are A to B, B to F, and F to A. Here A, B, F, A, these independent circuit statements are in the 3, right? 3 independent circuit. Can you look on the graph? A is connected, the line is passed to the B node. The B node line is passed to the F node. The F node line is passed to the A node. So this is a independent circuit, right? This independent circuit A, B, F, A, which is considered as which is written in the third line, the independent circuit or A, B, F, A. Similarly, the first node it is start from A, right? A to G, G to A to G, G to A. So here A, G, A, G, again it goes to A. So line number 4, the independent circuits, which is 4, A, G, A. And similarly, the next independent circuit, which is B to C, C to E, E to B, B, C, E, B, B, C, E, B. The independent circuit, which is B to C, node B to node C, then node C to E, E to B, which is an separate independent circuit. So B, C, E, B, which is represented in the line number 1, B, C, E, B. And in next independent circuits, we have to be find C, D, E, C, D, E, B, C, B, C, D, right? B, C, D, it goes to E and B. So B, C, D, E, B, B, C, D, E, B, which is represented in the line number 2. So total 4 independent circuits we obtained. By this graph. Hence, the cyclomatic complexity is one of the most widely used complexity measure. It counts the maximum numbers of independent circuit, and calculating the cyclomatic number of programs or module. We draw the graph, make it connected by drawing an edges from the entry node to the end node. Then either count the numbers of circuit or compute it computing it by counting the numbers of edges and nodes shown in the above graph. So it is clear that the cyclomatic complexity is used to measure the complexity in the program. It is very helpful if two programs are same size. We can be identify the complex program among them. It is proposed by CAB. It is graph-based concept to identify the complex program. Those program which has large numbers of the decision statements, such as if, else, while, do while, go to statements, consider as a complex program. It used a formula to find the complex program V of G equal to E minus N plus P. Consider the following program which have 10 statements. So 0 to 9, 10 statements, and every statements has do the some task. Here while, do while, if, swap and increment and decrement statements are there. These statements which perform the specified task. We draw the graph for every decision statements for a separate node. In the formula, G refer to the graph E for edges, N for nodes, and P for connected components, the numbers of modules. Here a module is 1. It is a single program, and numbers of the nodes we have to be find, and numbers of the edges we have to be find. And this graph which contain 7 nodes and 10 edges, and this is implement in the formula E minus n plus p. Edges is 10, nodes are 7, and program is 1. 10 minus 7 plus 1 equal to 4. We can be obtained 4 independent circuits. Therefore, the numbers of independent circuits, the numbers of decision statements, which program has large numbers of independent circuit, it consider as a complex program, right? If a program has less numbers of independent circuits, which consider as a less complex programs. If less numbers of independent circuits are there, it consider as a less complex. If greater numbers of large numbers of independent circuits are there, it consider as a complex program. Hence, the cyclomatic complexity is widely used to measure the complexity of the program. It is graph based process. It calculating the independent circuit and it counting the numbers of edges and nodes to measure the complexity in the program. I would like to be conclude these sessions with this topic. We will be meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.